In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an infinite logo carousel on your Wix site. By the end, you'll have a smooth looping display of brand or sponsor logos that looks professional on both desktop and mobile. We'll use the Wix editor, keep everything lightweight, and make sure your logos stay crisp and easy to read. Start by creating space for the carousel. In the Wix editor, add a new blank section exactly where you want the carousel to live. Think about how it relates to the content around it, above a testimonials block under a hero banner, or in a partners area. Resize the section to match your layout. You can stretch it full width for a modern edge-to-edge look, or keep it narrower if your design leans more compact. Next, add the element that will power the carousel. Open the Add Element menu, choose Gallery, and select Slider Gallery. Pick the slider style with spheres or rounded frames. This style is ideal for logos as it gives each mark a clean, consistent container. Position the gallery inside the section and stretch or resize it so it spans the full width, if that's your design choice. Now replace the placeholder images with your own logos. Click the gallery and choose Change Images. Remove any default images, then click Add Images to upload your sponsor or brand logos from your computer, or bring them in from the Wix Media Manager. You can select multiple files at once by holding Shift while clicking. When everything is in, click Done. For best results, use high-quality logo files, preferably with transparent backgrounds and consistent padding around each mark. Refine how each logo sits inside its frame. In the gallery settings, set the image fit to a square aspect ratio, such as so the logos land neatly inside the spheres. Adjust the spacing so each logo has breathing room, close enough to feel connected but not crowded. With the visuals set, make the carousel loop. Open the gallery's settings and under playback or slideshow options, turn on loop or infinite loop so it never stops. Set the slide speed to a calm, readable pace. Around 4 seconds usually works well, so visitors can recognize each brand. Choose an image resizing option like fit or fill to keep logos sharp without awkward cropping. Finally, click Preview to test. Confirm the motion feels smooth, the speed is comfortable, and the layout looks great on both desktop and mobile. If a logo appears clipped or too small, revisit the fit and spacing until everything feels balanced. That's how you add an infinite logo carousel on your Wix site. By using a slider gallery with sphere frames, adding sponsor logos, and enabling a slow looping animation, you can create a clean, eye-catching display of brands that support